Step 1. Check to make sure the monitor is plugged in and has power. If you are connected to a surge protector, make sure it's powered on, and also make sure it's connected to the wall outlet. Step 2. Make sure the monitor's cords are properly connected. If they are loose, tighten the screws. Next, check the other end of the cord. Make sure that is properly connected, and also make sure the power cord is properly connected. Step 3. Make sure the monitor is turned on. Press the power button to turn the monitor on. If it still does not come on, or if you have lines going down the middle of the screen or across, that means that the monitor is bad and will need to be fixed by a licensed professional or replaced. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.